Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a fingerprint unlock in your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. The first thing that you need to do is to open the settings. Now you need to here scroll down to the security and privacy over here. Now scroll down to the device unlock and here tap face and fingerprint unlock. And there your pattern, tap fingerprint and tap done. Register. Start and now place your finger over here. Now you need to, as you can see, place and raise. Place and raise until you have the full fingerprint. You need to scan different places of your fingerprint. And now, as you can see, recording the edge. And now tap OK, and now we can close and open. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.